Hey guys, I have just got this laptop, Huawei MateBook D15 Core i5. It's nice. At least it was released in 2020, yeah, so 2 years ago. But today, before I receive it to do some installation on it, but I found something awkward and I want us to know. There is no camera. See this nice laptop, there is no camera. So let's dive into it. Let's on it, let's turn it on, and let's learn together. Fast booting, it's very fast. Can you see? So you're going to do some few setup, then we continue. How this nice laptop, no name, no what do you call it, sign with Microsoft, cancel, no camera. How will the person use it to make calls? How will the person use it? So here we come, boom. See, if I type camera, see, it's coming like this. So there is camera hidden somewhere. So let's dive into it. This is Huawei MateBook D9. Let's see how it functions and see how it's going. Look, can you see? Huawei MateBook D15 Intel-Core i5, CPU 1.6 GHz. Yeah, the RAM is 8 GB, and it's having Windows 10 Home, as you can see here. Windows 10 Home. Nice keyboard, you can see. But why no camera? Where is the camera? Let's dive into it. So let's see the hard disk. Actually, they have SSD, which is almost 120 GB, which carry the window, and 1 TB HDD, right? So it's fine, it's portable to carry. Let's see, it's portable to carry. See, it's having C charging type, C type. The charging type is C type. Can you see? USB and HDMI cable ports. Let's see other angle. You can see 2 USB ports, and the power button is also like a fingerprint. And if you have a Huawei phone, you can share photo like how we share with Bluetooth and other devices. Yeah, so it's a nice device. So now, where is the camera? So if you buy an item, now they're trying to modernize things. Like you can see symbols. This is light to increase the height of the light, to decrease this volume, to cancel the volume, this increase. So you can see the symbol here, camera symbol here. Come close. In between F6 and F7. Let's press on it and see. See, this is camera. Can you see? This is camera. So let's try to open it again. Camera. So boom, here it comes. This is the camera. Can you see? Do you see how it looks like? You can see. So this is where the camera is hidden. We have tried. Yeah, it's good. So guys, thank you. It might confuse somebody may or laptop and there is no camera. Share this video to reach that person that there is modernized in technology. This is Sam Tech_Basic. Share this video. Thank you, and subscribe. Don't forget, we are learning about technology. We are in technology era. Thank you. Bye bye. Cheers. And you know the
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe Sam Technology.